just exchanging blows.
Well, somebody's going to have to go down eventually, surely.
These two titans putting it all on the line for the heavyweight gold, Jace.
Oh, just clothesline after clothesline. Oh. TOA really going to work. He's picking the big sledgehammer up. Sledgey reverses. Spinebuster. Goes for the cover. Oh, rolls away.
But Jace, who can blame Sledgehammer after all of that? But he needs... TOA beginning to get to his feet, but here comes Sledge. No Jace, TOA fighting back. Able to get him up and not all the way after all that damage he's taken. But TOA is fired up, Jace.
One thing you've got to remember, the referee's decision is final. Oh, going up to the top. Oh, Sledgehammer's up already. Catches him with the right hand, another.
Sledgehammer now beginning to descend.
Happy to say we've got the strongest ring in Australian wrestling.
These two titans. Massive superplex, Jason!
And that's why. When you get two